In November 2022, when the Northern Hemisphere was in a freezing winter, Qatar, a country of tropical desert climate, has been totally immune from the cold wave. The quadrennial international top sporting event has just unfolded in the wealthy state, blessed with the wealth of oil and natural gas. A feast for global football fans was unveiled. How to send those fans to and from the stadium. Today, we'll depart from the focal point of this event, the Lusail Stadium, and travel around to explore the city of future. It is surprising that Qatar, a country teeming with conventional vehicles in the past, has introduced for the first time the battery electric buses. When driving on the road, you can see that the residential area is on the periphery of the city center, be it the newly built Lusail city or the capital of Doha. Between city districts are elevated expressways, while inside the city are narrow streets combined with motorways. Under this circumstance, a single model won't be sufficient to meet the complex needs of public transit, not to mention the mobility of nearly 1 million international visitors. Neither is the monopoly of conventional vehicles, consistent with the diversification plan of Qatar. In line with the global consensus of carbon peak and carbon neutrality.
In different parts of the world, we see the implementation of low and zero emission zones. We're talking about the big city centers in Europe, but also in other parts of the world coming very fast.
一开始的是客户是很排斥的，这个过程当中呢，我们花了很大的精力来统一客户的思想，让他认识到目前国际的趋势。
Basically, electric buses are eco-friendly compared to any conventional bus, which is petrol or diesel bus. Second of all, they are noise-free almost, so there are no noise coming from electric buses, and they are much easier to maintain, more economical if used properly and over a long period of time.
Previously, when visiting the Yutong plant during the pandemic, our clients spoke highly of the automation of our manufacturing. After sufficient research of local conditions, Yutong prepared a new product strategy for Qatar.
卡塔尔是一个热带沙漠型气候，当地的温度非常的高。我们的产品应用了最新研发的氮气保护技术，这项技术是我们首创的。 在全球新能源行业也是领先的，电池可以实时处于低氧环境。
While ensuring the vehicle safety, eco-friendly performance, and elegant appearance and comfort, we have introduced the original idea of trunkline city bus, plus branch line micro-mobility, plus long driving range coach, as a comprehensive solution of battery electric vehicles. In the solution E11 Pro, runs for the main streets of Qatar, the bus hubs during the sports event, and the trunk line of heavy traffic. E7 and E9 connect to the metro on narrow streets and between communities to link up the last mile of urban mobility. The long driving range Yutong 6121, with a luggage compartment below the floor, serves as the high-end coach, connecting the satellite city with the city center, or transporting between the airport, hotel, and venue. Very soon, the plan was approved by the Qatari side.
Mission and vision. Our mission is to commute Qatar safely and sustainably, and our vision is to provide agile transport solution and build our community here in Qatar.
After rounds of tests, the plan was put into operation in Qatar. The locally oriented ingenuity has received appraisal from the driver and passenger.
Most of the time, here is very hot, but it's very comfortable to walk in the bus.
The only thing that I like is the screen. It shows all our destination that we are focusing on. The air conditioner is fine. I like it so far, and thank you.
It's amazing. It's amazing the fact that we have all this possibility to use the bus. It's really nice.
Very cold, very great. Very great bus.
This is amazing. I've never seen a charger on a bus, and it's so convenient.
Apart from the product, Yutong Qatar was established to guarantee the efficient operation of the plan. Through the life cycle service package, The company provides maintenance support to daily operation to eliminate the concern of customers and blend into the blueprint of Qatar transportation development.
I think that the relation between the customer and the DOE must be very important to make the public transport services as efficient as it can be in such a place. Well, I think that the Yutong service, together with the cooperation of the city of Doha, is very effective.
For this sports event, Yutong has prepared a set of detailed schemes for demo operation during the event and conducted weekly exercises based on real scenarios. For the safe and stable operation of 1,500 units of Yutong buses during the event, Yutong has provided training to over 2,000 drivers of new energy buses and a service support team of 120 strong members. Stand by around the clock for the 64 matches of 8 stadiums, some of whom are stationed in 3 depots for vehicular daily inspection. And the focus was put on the support of buses operating along the Corniche, a seafront promenade, where football fans concentrate.
And I think it's great, all the change and the environment from the support of Yutong with my people in operation, my mechanicals, my driving, something like that, is going to create a very good team. And I think it's one of the big important issues.
我来卡塔尔这个1年多吧，我希望呢通过本次这个我们的服务保障，能让来到卡塔尔这些旅客乘坐我们这个电动巴士的旅客能感受到我们这个高标准的服务质量。
Thanks to the all-out support from all social sectors, this top sports event has been concluded successfully. However, the Yutong buses will continue to run on the street of Doha. The public mobility plan from Yutong will be improving the way that people travel around in the country. The in-depth strategic cooperation between Yutong and Qatar will go further.
首先呢，我们与当地政府合资在自由区成立了纯电动客车的工厂目前正在规划中预计2023年投产其次呢我们也与我们的客户呢签订了服务保障合同未来我们这些车辆在卡塔尔所有的服务保障日常保养等等都是由宇通的专业团队来协助客户完成保证这些车辆在卡塔尔的顺利运营第三呢，我们也与当地的科研机构以及高校建立了合作关系未来呢一起在新能源领域做更多的探索开发。
Under the core concept of Qatar's National Vision 2030, the new energy buses of Yutong will continue to contribute to the local green development and economic diversification. Yutong New Energy Bus is steadily advancing to be one of the top players on the green field